What is up? It's Kelby here, and this is the first video up on the channel, actual video. The last one was just an introduction, and today, as you can see, I have my little pit bike out here. Well, it's not little, but I got the pit bike out here, and we're out in some fields next to my house, and we're going to go on a little venture. Just like talk, yeah, who knows what's going to happen. Might practice my wheelies. But this video was going to go up like yesterday, but I was practicing my wheelies for this video, and I crashed like really bad, and my legs are still a little bit like sore, but it was nothing too serious. So, ooh, fuck, stalled out. So I hope you guys like this type of video, and I hope I sound alright. It's a weird setup I have going on. It's a little ghetto because my GoPro doesn't support an external mic, and that's kind of sucky. Alright, let's go this way. I'm gonna keep the video short because I don't know, that was weird. I don't know if you guys like these type of videos, so I'll probably keep it like 15 minutes max. So I have to like keep an eye out for that. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little talking, go explore. See, see how you guys like it. That fucking hurt. Did I mess anything up? No? Alright, cool. Alright. But yeah, I was like right here when I crashed. I was practicing my wheelie. I don't remember which because I hit my head pretty hard and everything's kind of a blur, but I'm fine. I remember practicing a wheelie going super fast, and I think I lost traction and I fell. Like it was somewhere right here. But yeah, and that hurted like really bad. But I'm alright, thankfully. I'm back on the pity once again because once you fall, you gotta get right back up. Alright, let's not fuck this up. Oh look, some other people. What are y'all doing out here? Swimming? I said, what are y'all doing out here? Just swimming? Oh, that's fucking tight. Alright then. Really? It's cold? Damn. Well, you guys have fun. Thank you. That was awesome. Man, that was pretty cool. A little crazy though. Swimming in the canal. Hope they're okay. You were running. Sand. Maybe I'll go back there and see what's up. Man, that was actually pretty cool. I like that. Ooh. That felt weird. Some car. I think this is second. Let's go back right now. See if I could. bike that was fucking pretty cool. And I'm sorry if I cuss a lot, especially if like people who don't like cussing. But I don't know, cussing just seems right, especially if something like doesn't go right. Let's see. Little sandy, a lot of sandy right there. This is where I usually fucking sandy. Let's see what's up with these dudes. Whose pit bike is this? Is mine? Can I try it? I'll leave mine here so like I won't steal it. It's electric? Do you know how to ride these? No?
Yeah, I have. I rode them before, but I'm wet.
Oh, you're wet?
Yeah.
It don't matter. You know how to drive manual? It's not automatic.
Like the gears?
Yeah, it's clutch, yeah.
Oh, clutch?
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah? Well, show me how to start this thing.
No, it's just electric.
It's just electric.
This electric?
You just turn it on, and then it's just that.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
But it's already on. I just turned it on right
Let me see, I'm gonna go down there and flip a Yui. Do you know how many cc's it is? Oh shit, my bad. This is tight. Should I wheelie it? Man, I'm gonna try to wheelie this bitch. A razor. I want to see if these little dudes. Bruh, this is tight. Let's see if I can wheelie it. Nope. Not enough power. Nah. Not enough power. Damn, hey, this is pretty tight. I don't know, I like little dirt bikes. Anybody want to try this? It don't matter. How much you get it for? 600. I don't know, off Craigslist. Yeah. It is. This is for a little pit bike. Let's see. This thing is hella loud, watch, like. Anybody want to try it? It's fun. You? You sure? Alright, you guys should check out my YouTube. I hope you guys don't mind, but it's going on YouTube. So YouTube, you want to say something? Shout you out? Yeah? Alright, peace out, dudes. That was pretty tight of them. It's a little electric dirt bike. Woo! Alright, let's keep exploring. Fuck. Let's see if I can try to bleep those. If not, then I'm sorry. To whoever watches. Mom, if you watch. super sandy right here though. I was going to try the wheelies again, but I don't know, that crash really spooked me. I'll try again soon though. I'll try again soon, don't worry. Don't you guys worry about it, don't even trip, dogs. You'll see me do a wheelie on the pity pretty soon. I gotta get a new back tire though, that's the thing. I want to find more people to ride with. What's this car doing? Just stopping. What are you doing, car? I hope the camera angle's pretty good too. I don't know if it was me, but I swore I heard one of those kids say motor bro. Alright, let's go back. Ooh, sand. Did I already say I gotta get a new back tire for this bike? Probably did. I'm just crazy. Don't worry guys, I'm not crazy. But this is like my favorite thing to do when I come visit my mom. That's where I live right now. I don't live with her, I'm just visiting. But when I visit my mom, oh, big hole. I just love to come out here on the little pity, go exploring. Before, like, woo, that was tight. But like when I was younger, like in 7th, 8th grade, and a little bit of freshman year, I'm a senior now, just so you guys know. Where we're about to go, there are houses and people live in them, but before, nobody used to live in them. And like, I always do like hood rat stuff with my friends there. I got in trouble with the cops too when I was in, I think, 7th grade, yeah. At the time, I wasn't doing anything bad. We were just like making, what would you say, post-apocalyptic weapons, like apocalypse weapons, like out of the stuff we found there. Because we found like a whole bunch of like wood and stuff. And the cops came and they thought that we were breaking windows, even though we weren't. Yeah. And they handcuffed me, my buddy, to a tree. Then our parents had to come pick us up. Yeah, it was about, look at these dudes right here in the canal. Hope they stay safe. These dudes right here. They gave me a little peace sign, I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh fuck, I didn't get in my YouTube channel. Well, I'll have to go back. Alright, I'm gonna go tell them my YouTube channel. And that's gonna be the end of the video. I would cut this whole part out, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. See if I can hook. Oh yeah, these are abandoned houses right here. Or they were abandoned until they got like rebuilt, all niced up and changed. And that side right there is really sandy, like really sandy. This part's high-key sandy too, but it's not that bad. I'm not sliding and drifting everywhere. I wonder how long I've been recording. Because last time I recorded for like almost an hour and I didn't even realize I was just talking to you guys. But then my phone wouldn't handle it because I was running 1080p with 60 frames a second, and my phone like exploded. It didn't explode, but like it couldn't handle it. I was like, oh damn. So I'm doing this one in 720p, 30 frames a second, so hopefully this looks good or okay. And hopefully I'm gonna get a computer and I could like do all that good jazz like a pro. That hurt my butt. Alright. gear am I in? I don't even know. This spot is like homeless central. There's especially in there. That used to be a dirt bike track where those trees are at. But homeless people took over. There's usually a homeless guy right here. I usually see him when I'm riding. I don't know where he's at right now. I did burn my leg on my exhaust. That hurt. Someone up here. There's that big old hole. This is where I go. I take this way when I get gas. Ooh, really sandy right there. Yeah, this part's sandy. I want to chill right here for a minute. Just going straight. But yeah, I hope you guys like these type of videos. Just me just talking, riding around. Met those dudes over there. Those are pretty cool. I need to go back and get in the YouTube channel. Probably talk with them a little bit more. Ooh, sliding a little bit. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, Kelby. And then, yeah, you guys could expect our first prank video soon. We're discussing it. And it seems pretty funny, but we don't know. We could be just really cringy. This might be really cringy. We don't know. Give us some feedback. Good or bad. If something that the quality needs to go up, or like you guys want to see something, let us know. Put it down in the comments. Also, while you're down there in the comments, if you do comment, you should like totally leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I know our first, like already in like 3 days, we already have like 14 subscribers and like 100 and something views on the introduction. And that's pretty rad. Like not even a week into it, and we're already like getting some kind of following. Not much, but it's something. I'm staying optimistic. I think that's all that matters. I expected to still have like 0 subscribers and like maybe like 20 likes, and that's from like not even 20 likes, like 5 likes, and that's from like me and my friends is on our own accounts liking it and subscribing. But now we have like 14 subscribers, almost 130 views. It's pretty tight. I've been cruising with this on. I probably have been sounding terrible. I'm sorry, guys. I just realized that something just hit me in my face, and I was like, oh crap. This is my favorite street to bomb. I'm in second right now. Ooh, sliding a little bit. Sliding. Whew. Man, my back and legs still hurting. They're still hurting from that. Yeah, I was going to come give you that. Ooh. Stalled out. That's fine. It's DEK.
Okay,
Yeah.
so like that.
Yeah, it's like D.E.K. And we only have one video right now, and that's kind of like the introduction, because it's not just me. There's two other dudes, 3 of us all together. And we're going to do like a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to do like pranks, social experiments. You can see me doing this a lot on the bike, coming out here, doing other stuff. And yeah, DEK, you guys should like totally subscribe and like, and let me know what I should do.
You can videotape it.
Why, is he going to do something crazy? You going to do a front flip? Someone do a front flip. I'll give you $1.
$1.
Yeah, that's all I got right now. Someone do something cool.
Well, I already did.
Oh, I almost drowned.
Nah, but it feels good though.
He almost got caught by the current.
And we got caught. Yeah, guys, be careful. A lot of people like drown in these. Let's see this. You go in your shoes?
Yeah, so they want like step on glass or something.
Oh yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Dang. Well, that little bike right there is tight. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Man, my Jeep got broken into and someone stole my penny board. I have one just like that.
Exact same color?
Exact same color, wheels and everything. Damn, but it was a nickel board, not that one. Damn. But yeah, you guys should like totally subscribe. I'm gonna do my outro right now. You guys could be a part of it. Alright, anything you want to say? No? You guys got no YouTube channels you want to shout out? No Instagrams, no Facebooks? No Facebooks, no nothing? No Instagram shout outs? Nah? Wait, what do you say? Shout out to Emma. Who's that? Your girl?
No, this girl. Yeah, it's his girlfriend.
How old are you guys?
13.
13, 14, 12.
Well, 13 by him. He's 14.
Dang. Dang, you guys are young. You don't look 13, to be honest. You look like a good 13, 14. Damn. Roasting.
That's fucked up. But how fast does your bike go?
Depends, like going like on a highway, not a highway, like a street, it goes up to like 50. That's like the
I
max.
have a Yamaha like that.
Yamaha.
The max?
The max is 50, somewhere around there.
How many bikes do you have?
Right now, this one, just for right now.
Was that your first ever bike? Or?
This one, yeah, it's my first ever bike. I did have a quad, a small one, but that's over in a different town right now. So I got is this. And yeah, and yesterday down that way, I hella crashed. That hurt. And this thing, yeah, you can see like I was doing some wheelies or practicing them, and like I went like this too much, and I just went bah, right there.
And you don't wear no gear except the helmet?
Nah, not yet at least. I don't have any until I do get some gear. I just want like a chest thing and some gloves. I don't really care about like my arms because I usually wear pants. I don't wear shorts.
Yamaha 350 down shit.
Really? There's a haul?
Huh?
There's a haul? Yeah? Dang. You have it? Like with you?
No, not with me. I live in those homes way over there.
Damn, you should bring it out here one time.
I will.
Yeah.
And the other car. I also have like what are those called? It's like a car.
It's like a car?
A razor.
Like a razor? Is it like?
Big razors.
I'm not too. Is it's a car?
Yeah, it's like a car and it has like 2 seats.
2 seats. Is it a go-kart? Oh yeah, a go-kart. I used to have one of those until my brother broke it. But yeah, you dudes are cool. And if you like ever find it, the YouTube channel DEK, you want to ride out here, just let me know in the comments. But I don't live here though, so I only come like on weekends, and I don't start school until like next week. So if you hit me up, it'll have to be like in a weekend. I live in Visalia.
Hey, that's where my home is.
Yeah, I live over there, and the pit bike stays here in Fresno.
You have a house here or what?
Yeah, I live with my mom. My mom does.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior. Yeah. Senior. Dang. Well, you guys are a cool crowd. I'm going to head out, go do my intro somewhere. Look up the YouTube channel. Subscribe. And all that jazz. Show your friends. Yeah, say something.
Honestly, I don't know.
What? What do you say? Alright, homies. Alright, homies. You know what to do. go down here. Alright, guys and gals, that's going to be it for this video. If you want me to make them longer, shorter, you just let me know in the comments, alright? Because I like doing these. Like, this is pretty fun. Like, I just met those little kids over there. They had a little Razor dirt bike. That was pretty fun to ride, to try to do a wheelie. I would do a wheelie on this, but that's scary. That's scary. Alright, you know what? We'll try. We'll try it. Alright, we'll try it. You gonna die on me? No? Alright, let's just keep going. Let's get on the end, put my foot down. Never mind, I'm checking it out. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. That crash spooked me. Don't want to crash right now again, because I'll probably die. Alright, let's get over there. Yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good jazz. Yeah. And then I will see you guys next time. Peace.